Okay, guys, so in this problem, we are looking at multiplying these variables that have exponents. So we do need to remember the rule for exponents, okay? The rule for multiplying is that when we're multiplying, we add the exponents together, okay? So in this problem, it's asking us what is the value of n. So we want to find out what this is going to be, what the exponent is going to be when we finish. So what did I say we need to do with the exponents? We need to add them together. So 7 plus negative 13 is negative 6. So that means that this n is negative 6. Okay? So the value of n is negative 6. That's our final answer. All you needed to know here was what do you do when there's multiplication? You add the exponents. Okay, that's it. Thanks, guys.